Now, how is it working with Adar? You all should know that I've recently worked with Adar. Adar was assisting Karan Johar in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. And he's a very talkative boy, as you all must have already experienced. So how is it working with him? He's extremely entertaining. And he always has some stories to tell.
Adar is an extremely entertaining person. Like, just his being is very entertaining. I can watch him and be in splits. He talks a lot. He has a great sense of humor. He has these wonderful one-liners. And I was always entertained on set. I was always in splits. Even during a really serious scene, I had to actually go to another room. So I was away from Adar because he was always making me laugh. But the other thing about Adar is that he has a very short attention span. So you could be talking to him, you could be this close to him, but he's not listening to you. Like, he's just in his own world, and I could be like, Adar does not care. Doesn't matter who you are, you know what you're saying. So that's just one flaw he has, I'd say. But it was wonderful working with him. I think it's nice because this is both our first film. So starting a journey together, learning so many things together, it was because we both were equally excited about everything. First day on set, first day of shoot, this press conference. So everything is just has been a wonderful journey together.
Anya, you're lovely and very charming. And whatever interaction that I've had with you today, it's been so refreshingly honest that I hope you do really, really well and your first film is very successful and your work is highly appreciated. I'm hearing very good things about your work. So I wish you all the best. And now we can maybe have a Q&A with the media and open questions to our lovely media here. Hi, guys. So if any questions, please feel free to ask Anya.
आन्या, मेरा नाम आलोक है
जी, आप
हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आपका स्वागत है।
थैंक यू सो मच।
सवाल ये है आपसे कि जैसा मैंने अभी आदर से भी पूछा था कि कल की रात कैसी गुजरी जब आपको पता था कि आज हमसे मुखातिब होना है आपको?
सच बोलूँ तो मैं बिल्कुल सोई नहीं हूँ। मैं सुबह उठी तो मुझे पता था कि 9 बजे हमारी पिक्चर्स जा रही हैं सोशल मीडिया पे। तो मैं वेट कर रही थी। मैं 4 और लोगों के साथ रहती हूँ फ्लैट में। तो हम सब साथ में बैठ के वेट कर रहे थे पिक्चर्स आने के लिए। और मैं इतनी एक्साइटेड थी कि मैंने फिर आदर को फ़ोन किया जो सो रहे थे और उनको उठाया और बोला पिक्चर्स आ गए हैं, उठो। तो हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल सोई नहीं, एक्साइटमेंट की वजह से और नर्वसनेस वो भी था।
अनुष्का, आपको पहला दिन याद आता है जब आप मीडिया से मुखातिब हुई थी? वो थोड़ा वो बताएं ज़रा।
लविंग योर वर्ड्स। मुखातिब हुई थी, वाह।
मुखातिब।
लवली। कोई नहीं भूल सकता है वो दिन। वो आपका सबसे डरावना दिन होता है। बिकॉज मैं जानती थी कि शाहरुख मुझे इंट्रोड्यूस करने वाले हैं आप सब से। तो एक थोड़ा सा कंफर्ट था बिकॉज मैं ऑटोमेटिकली उनकी प्रेजेंस में काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल हो जाती थी। मैंने पूरी पिक्चर करी थी उनके साथ। लेकिन फिर भी आपको कोई प्रिपेयर नहीं कर सकता इस चीज़ के लिए बिकॉज आपको पता नहीं है आप कैसे, आपको क्या सवाल पूछे जाएंगे, आप उस चीज़ को कैसे हैंडल करेंगे। मुझे एक चीज़ से बहुत थोड़ा डर लग रहा था। वो था कि मैं बहुत तेज़ बोलती हूँ। तो मुझे बार बार सब बोल रहे थे कि ज़ोर के मत बोलना, आराम से बोलना। और मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं धीरे बोलने लग जाती हूँ तो मैं भूल जाती हूँ मैं क्या बोल रही थी, क्योंकि मेरा दिमाग इतनी तेज़ चलता है। तो मुझे लगा वो सोचेंगे कि मुझे बोलना ही नहीं आता अगर मैं तेज़ नहीं बोल पाऊँगी तो, क्योंकि तुम्हें नॉर्मल स्पीड है, मैं तो ऐसी बात करती हूँ। तो वो सब कुछ चल रहा था और 1000 चीज़ें चल रही थी। मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे बोला था ऐसे मत करना, वैसे मत स्माइल करना, ये मत करना। फिर मोनिका जो यहाँ पे है उन्होंने मुझे बोला था ये पूछेंगे तो ऐसे बोल देना, वो पूछेंगे तो वैसे बोल देना। तो इतने सारे लोगों ने मेरे सिर के अंदर चीज़ें डाली हुई थी कि मेरे को लगा था मैं बस वहाँ पे जाके मैं ऐसे ब्लास्ट हो जाऊँगी ऐसे। With so much information that was in my head. But it went so nicely because of Shah Rukh and he was so wonderful to me. And you guys were so nice to me. So thank you so much. And really, उस दिन से I think एक relationship बन जाता है आप लोगों के साथ, जो आप लोगों ने बहुत ही मेरे को welcoming, एक relationship। तुम तो थे भी नहीं मनोज, तुम क्या हंस रहे हो? हाँ तुम तो अभी आए हो बेटा। यहाँ पे तो हुआ भी नहीं था, ऊपर हुआ था, हाँ रिहर्सल हॉल में, झूठा। बट जिस तरह से आपने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया और इतनी अच्छी तरह से मुझसे बात करी, आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कि आप लोग आन्या के साथ भी वैसे ही करना।
Hi Anya, here on your right. Hi, I'm Prachita from DNA.
Hi, Rachita.
So as you just mentioned that you stay in a flat with 4 flatmates, and you being an outsider, and we all know one of the many problems that we all, like especially the outsiders face in Bombay, is house hunting. Especially if you're a single girl coming from an outside city and wanting to pursue a career in acting. How difficult was it for you to hunt for a place in Mumbai? Could you elaborate on that?
Sure. So I think I was very smart. I was in Delhi and I decided who I wanted to live with. There were these 2 girls, one was from Delhi and one was from Bangalore, both my friends. They had reached Bombay. So they did all the house hunting. They found a house, decided upon it, signed the lease, set up the house, and then I arrived. Because I was out on a vacation, in my defense. So, but yeah, when we were switching houses post that, I did a lot of house hunting. And I think I actually never mentioned that I was an actor, because somehow I've heard it's more tough for actors to get houses here on rent. So I never did that. But yes, my landlady now knows that I'm an actor. So, yeah.
This Yash Raj film is not working out very well for your house.
No, I've not lied to anybody.
Today when you go back, she'll be waiting.
She doesn't live in the same building, luckily, no.
Chalo, good.
Hello, Anya. Here, to your left. Neha from Bollywood now.
Hi, Neha.
Hi.
I'm still very lost.
Sure. Can you see me now?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to the film industry.
Thank you.
Well, your pictures, your videos look gorgeous. Good luck to you for
Thank
your
you
3
so
films.
much.
Well, सवाल ये है कि इस इंडस्ट्री में आने के पहले कभी सोचा था कि कौन से एक्टर के साथ रोमांस करना है जब आप ऑडिशंस वगैरह कर रहे थे? ऐसा कोई ड्रीम को एक्टर?
Ranveer Singh.
और वो क्यों?
Sorry?
Why Ranveer?
जब मैंने बैंड बाजा बारात देखी थी, मैं उसी दिन से उनकी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन बन गई थी. और मुझे वो बहुत रिलेटेबल लगते हैं. तो इसलिए आई थिंक रणवीर सिंह. उस when I was auditioning और जब मुझे बॉम्बे आना था, वो मेरे माइंड में थे.
By the way, Ranveer Singh has just met her abhi backstage and sat there and told her, chalo, very good, and baal bana lo and all. Chalo, okay beta.
Yeah, he said, okay beta.
And he's like, did I just say beta?
He said, best of luck beta. And I was just like, okay, I guess.
Last question, please.
Anya, hi. This is Ankita here. Can you see me? Center.
Hi. Yeah.
Hi. First of all, this is Ankita from Republic, and welcome to film industry.
Thank you.
You and Anushka both were outsiders earlier. So my question is for Anushka, that what's the difference between Anushka, in 2008 and Anushka now in 2017?
Hopefully I'm a better actor. Hopefully I'm more successful. I think this place really toughens you up, from inside. Because you face challenges every single day. And it's usually like a test for you, for your patience and for your, your mental being and emotional strength. And I think as an actor, you have to experience a lot of emotions to be able to become a better actor. The more you live life, the more experiences you get, it hones your craft better. And I think this place does that for you. It really pushes you on an emotional roller coaster ride and propels you to find your strongest self or to become that. And I think even Anya will experience that as she goes along. Of course, coming from and being launched, despite being an outsider, being launched with Yash Raj films, you do get that sense of, I would say, like a safety net where you do realize that there is some entity and an organization where you can always kind of get your, like she was saying earlier, you can get that kind of support from. But the journey that goes on in your head, you know, with the kind of things that you face throughout, and there will be lots now if you've been here for some time, that you have to face on your own, which is very good, and it toughens you up, and I think it makes you a better actor.
Thank you so much, Anya. All the best for your career, and Anushka, all the best for Pari.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just request both Anushka and Anya to stand up for a photo opportunity.
Didn't hear the whole thing, Monica. You pushed the mic away from you.
I said, we'll request both of you to stand in front for a photo
You
opportunity.
got it, girl.
Thank you so much.